Imagine a place on Earth where ships and airplanes disappear without a trace. Pilots lose contact with air traffic control. Navigation instruments start behaving strangely, and sometimes ships are found completely empty. This place is located in the Atlantic Ocean. It is called the Bermuda Triangle. Over the past 100 years, dozens of strange disappearances have happened here. Some of them still remain unexplained. The Bermuda Triangle is a region of the ocean located between 3 points: Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. If you connect these 3 locations on a map, they form a massive triangle. Important sea routes and flight paths pass through this area. Every day, ships sail and airplanes fly through this region. But this is also the place where many mysterious disappearances have occurred. The most famous incident happened on December 5, 1945. On that day, 5 military aircraft took off from a base in Florida. It was a routine training mission. This group became known as the Flight 19 disappearance. The pilots were supposed to complete a simple exercise: fly over the ocean, conduct training maneuvers, and return to base. But after some time, something strange happened. The leader of the group began sending distress messages over the radio. He reported that their compasses had stopped working. The pilots could not determine their position. The ocean around them looked unusual.
Communication became worse and worse. The pilots said they could not tell where west or east was anymore. They started flying in circles, trying to find their way back. The last radio message sounded very alarming. After that, the connection was lost. All 5 planes disappeared. No wreckage, no signals, and no traces were ever found. A massive search operation began. Rescue planes and ships were sent to find them. But something even stranger happened. One of the rescue planes also disappeared. It vanished from radar, and it was never found. But this was not the only mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. In 1918, a massive military ship called the USS Cyclops was traveling across the Atlantic Ocean. More than 300 people were on board. The ship was large, modern, and well-equipped. But one day, it simply vanished. No distress signal, no wreckage, no lifeboats. The ship seemed to disappear into the ocean. Over the years, many pilots and sailors have reported strange phenomena in this region. Some said their compasses started spinning. Navigation instruments stopped working correctly. Sometimes a thick fog would suddenly appear. Some pilots claimed they saw unusual clouds or strange lights.
At times, communication with the ground would completely disappear. Scientists have tried to explain these events. Several theories exist. One theory involves natural phenomena. There may be large deposits of methane gas on the ocean floor. If this gas suddenly rises to the surface, the water can lose its density. In that case, a ship could sink very quickly. Another theory involves magnetic anomalies. In this region, the Earth's magnetic field may behave unusually. This could affect compasses and navigation systems. But there are also more mysterious explanations. Some believe the Bermuda Triangle could contain a portal to another dimension. Others think it might be connected to the lost civilization of Atlantis. There are even theories suggesting possible extraterrestrial involvement. Today, ships and airplanes still travel through this region. Most of them pass safely without any problems, but some disappearances still remain unexplained. Even after many decades, no one has been able to give a final answer. What really happens inside the Bermuda Triangle? Natural phenomena? Coincidences? or something humanity simply does not yet understand. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most fascinating unsolved stories on our planet.